Hey guys, welcome to episode 2 of Tips and Tricks by Ignite. In this episode, we are going to cover angles. Let us take a look at one question here. ABCD is a trapezium. AD equals to AB and angle DAB equals to 120 degrees. Find angle BDC. So, you will be encountering many of such questions that involve this major section of angles called quadrilaterals. The tips to solve these questions will be to understand the properties of the different types or shapes of quadrilaterals. So, what are quadrilaterals? A quadrilateral has 4 sides. It is two-dimensional, a flat shape, closed with the lines joined up, and has straight sides. The 3 shapes we will be focusing here will be parallelogram, rhombus, and trapezium. First up, parallelogram. It has 2 pairs of parallel sides. Its opposite sides are equal as well as its opposite angles. The sum of any 2 consecutive angles is 180 degrees. Next, rhombus. Rhombus is almost similar to parallelogram. It has 2 pairs of parallel sides, its opposite angles are equal, and the sum of any 2 consecutive angles is 180 degrees. The difference here will be that all of its sides are equal. Last, trapezium. It has only 1 pair of parallel sides. Each pair of angles between parallel sides add up to 180 degrees. Alright, now back to the question. It is stated that ABCD is a trapezium. So, we need to apply our knowledge of trapezium's properties here. Since it is given that angle DAB is 120 degrees, we will be able to find angle ADB by subtracting 120 degrees from 180 degrees to get 60 degrees. Next, it is also given that AD equals to AB. This means that triangle DAB is an isosceles triangle. We can therefore subtract 120 degrees from 180 degrees before dividing it by 2 to get 30 degrees for angle ADB. From there, we can find angle BDC by subtracting 30 degrees from 60 degrees, and we will get 30 degrees, which is the answer for this question. Let's try another question. In the figure below, ABE is an equilateral triangle and BCDE is a rhombus. Angle EAC equals to 38 degrees. Find angle DEB. Note that ABE is an equilateral triangle. This means all sides and angles of triangle ABE are equal. Also, it is given that BCDE is a rhombus. So, let us apply what we have learnt about rhombus here. Based on the properties, we can conclude that all sides are equal except for AC. Since AB equals BC, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. First, we work out angle BAC by subtracting 38 degrees from 60 degrees to get 22 degrees. Note that angles within triangle ABE is 60 degrees each since they are angles of the equilateral triangle. Next, we find angle ABC by taking 22 degrees times 2 and subtracting it from 180 degrees to get 136 degrees. After that, we find angle CBE by subtracting 60 degrees from 136 degrees to get 76 degrees. Next, we remember that in a rhombus, the sum of any 2 consecutive angles is 180 degrees. Therefore, since angle CBE is 76 degrees, we can find angle DEB by taking 76 degrees and subtracting it from 180 degrees to get 104 degrees, which is the answer to this question. That is all. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed this episode of Tips and Tricks. Don't forget to follow us for more tips to come.